slime time. Alright, so what you want to do is glue, shaving cream, borax and water, and something to mix on. And then something to mix with. Okay, so first, why am I still playing? Okay, so first, take your glue, this thing, yeah, Awesomeness SLIME. This is brand new glue. I got 3 bottles. Alright guys, I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to waste it all. But that's enough, because when you add the shaving cream, it puffs it up. This slime is going to be huge, guys. So then, after that, I'm going to remix this. I'm going to remix the borax and water just in case, so it's good. Alright, so then what you want to do, I'm just going to make it clear, no food coloring. I just want to see what it looks like when it's no food coloring. Alright, so what you want to do, pour the borax and water onto here. Then, it should look like that. Then, this could, all you have to really do, if you want non-stretchy slime, is just add the glue, borax, and water together, and then you mix it, and then it should come together. But what I like to do is make the shaving cream to make it stretchy. So that's what I do. Oh shoot. Okay guys, so how much shaving cream I do is about how much is all there. Then mix it. I'm just gonna put some more borax and water just in case. Then, if it's not coming together, then add more borax and water. But it comes together really quick. It's already coming together for mine. Super quick. I'm gonna have white slime. Whoa! Oh my god, this is gonna be huge. Oh my! I'm not even kidding. Huge. Huge, man. This is gonna be huge. And this whole blob on the spoon, that's only part of it. That's when the show starts. The show has just begun. Oh my god, guys, this is just so lit. Oh my god. Oh my god. And trust me guys, this is not a scam. New viewers, this is not a scam. I've been doing slime for like a week now. And it looks, oh my god, this is awesome. I'm so happy I got a lot of glue. Look at that. Just look at that. Oh, it's not even sticky. Oh, this slime makes me proud of myself. Proud of myself. So pretty much daily now, I'm going to be making slime because this was half the bottle. I have 2 more bottles after this. So the show has just begun, guys. So I'm probably gonna have about 5 more slime things. I'm gonna have my own collection soon. This will be the start of the collection. It's just gonna look awesome, guys. And I'm each gonna do this big each time. My mom's gonna be like, oh my god. I'm gonna go show her real quick, guys. I'm gonna go show her, see her reaction. And where'd the towel go to dry my hair? Oh, I'll just use the shower towel. Mom! Yes. Look how awesome it is. Look at this is only half the bottle and look how much it made.
Bottle of what?
half the bottle of glue. Look how much it made. Yeah, it's great, right?
It's fantastic, Jonathan. It's the best thing ever.
Yep, it is. Best thing ever. Where's Zoe?
She's outside. Why don't you go outside with her?
But I'm making slime. I'll just do the slime. No. Zoe.
Zoe, hi.
She wants to go in.
Are you gonna go outside?
When I'm done with the slime.
Should I let her know she needs to go take the things over, or she already knows?
Are you talking to me?
Madison, don't forget, honey, you have to take your bath over to Haley. Yeah.
That's how much slime I made.
That's really gross.
It's only half the glue one. I have 3 bottles.
What is she not going to show up tonight? You're
I
driving.
think she's not going to show up. Are you
You're
gonna
taking-
practice?
Are you going to practice?
I am.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's right. You have to practice tonight. So yeah.
Do you need your bat for tonight?
No.
Eesh. You know if Rob has practice?
Oh look, it's barely even sticky anymore. You just have to keep playing with it and then it gets non-sticky.
Can't hear that.
No, because something about the younger girls.
Go Sketchy! Dad.
They are not. He doesn't have a practice somewhere else. I'm asking because I will drop it off for you at her house, but I don't want to if he's over there.
He doesn't go there.
He lives at his house. You need your bat dropped off at Haley's.
I know that. I'm going to do it on my way to practice.
Oh, I've never heard that.
Yeah, it's the biggest slime ever. Feels so achieving when you make such big slime.
So tomorrow, Jonathan, I'm picking you guys up and taking you to go get flu shots. Do you want me to make you an appointment, John? Oh, he might
I
have
got a
to.
flu shot.
Oh, you did? So did I.
Flu shot!
Easy.
Mom, didn't you get a flu shot like a month ago? Something like that?
No, like 2 weeks ago.
Close to a month ago.
Mom, didn't you get a flu shot like a month ago?
I thought you did!
He's doing it to like rat me out or do something like I did something bad.
Oh, no, I'm just too excited. Dad, look. This is just, this is slime. I told you I know how to make slime. Finally. Dad, this slime is officially done. Look. Dad.
Jonah, I'll do something. I'll release slime guy, okay?
There you are. Cameron. I'm going to show her my amazing... Cameron, can I come in? Look. Slime.
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Of course not. Well, I can't close the door. My annoying sister. A little bit more. That's been today's video. Slime succeed. Peace out.